Dear students, good morning to all. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss about the theme, message, glossary and the text of the poetry, that is a photograph by Shirley Tilson. And here is about the theme of this poem. Old memories haunt us when we see photographs that were taken long back. And it happens to us also. What we do regularly, what we do when we see the old photographs, we just remember the days about those photographs and we just feel happy. Here, the author sees her mother's photograph along with her cousins. And what is there in the poem? Her mother's photograph is there, poet's mother's photograph with her cousins, and old memories came rushing back. And old memories, she just remember the old things, what are there. Her late mother was also pleased to see this same photograph. Her late mother was also very much happy. Everyone in the photo have changed. Everyone has changed. Only the sea has remained unchanged. And that is the natural thing. Only the nature is unchanged, other things are changed. The poet is also overcome with grief. Grief means sadness. The poet is also very sad when she remembers her late mother, when she just do the remembrance of her mother. Photographs evoke powerful memories. फोटोग्राफ्स जो हैं वो हमें इवॉक मीन टू से उजागर करते हैं, बताते हैं पावरफुल मेमोरीज के बारे में इन अस एंड ब्रिंग अबाउट अ सेंस ऑफ नॉस्टलीजिया. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय नॉस्टलीजिया? जब हम पुरानी चीज़ों को याद करके हम खुद को वहीं इमेजिन करने लग जाते हैं. ओके, एंड हियर इज द मैसेज ऑफ दिस पोएम ऑल्सो. टाइम एंड टाइड वेट फॉर नन. Time and tide really wait for none, while things in nature are unchanging and everlasting. As I told you earlier, कि things of the nature never change. Everything in the human world is transit. Everything is changing. The same thing which gives a lot of joy and happiness today may become a source of sorrow and pain after some days. Just imagine from a pic only. Okay, we have just spend our time with our grandfather, grandmother. Okay, we just gonna some place, we are very much happy, we click the photographs, we enjoyed a lot, we just do the many type of riding. After 15 or 20 years, when your grandfather or grandmother or anyone that is in the photograph has gone from the world, the time that was of happiness, but of now the same time because become the time of sorrow. Why? Because we lost the people. Okay, man may come and man may go, सन आएंगे जाएंगे, but I go on forever. कि हमें तो समय तो हमेशा चलेगा. Time says this thing. These lines from Tennyson's The Brook convey the same message. What's the message is? आदमी आएंगे आदमी जाएंगे, बट मैं किसी के लिए नहीं रुकूंगा. ये मैं कौन है? टाइम. हु इज आई है? टाइम. ओके, एंड हियर इज अबाउट द ग्लॉसरी वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस. फर्स्ट वन इज पैडलिंग, moving paddles. Okay, transit mean to say short lived. Okay, terrible transit feet, very very short lived people. Worry mean to say crook, मुड़े हुए. Labor days of loss, pain of separation. Its silence silences. Circumstances, those are very hard and painful that they make our one speechless. कि we are not having the words to explain our pain. We are not having the words to explain our circumstances. That is called its silence silences. Okay. And here is about the poem we are going to discuss now. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hand. About the three girls picture was there. Two were the cousins of Shirley's mother and one was her mother. Okay, one was his mother. Like they all were handling like this. One was here and one was here. Okay, and she the big girl, some 12 years or so. Okay, what was the age of her mother at that time? 12 years, nearby 12 years. All three stood still to smile through their hair. They all three are smiling at the uncle with the camera. They are watching the uncle's camera. A sweet face was there, my mother's, and that was of my mom. And that was before I was born. And even that was the time when I was not born. and the sea, which appears to have changed less, washed their terrible transit feet. What the sea is doing? Washing their feet. Some 20-30 years later, after 20 or 30 years, she had laughed at the snapshot. She just laughed at the snapshot. See Betty and Dolly. Who are Betty and Dolly? Her cousins. She had said, and look how they dressed us for the beach. Ki how they are dressed up, how they are just in which dresses they are. The sea holiday was her past and mine is her laughter. And what was the sea holiday? That was about the past, and mine is her laughter. And what's the present of me today? My mother's laughter. Both worry with the labor days of loss. Both are worrying. Why? Why it's so? Because the poet has lost the mother and the mother has lost the childhood. So both are having in the position of loss. Now she has been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived. Mean to say, what's the age of that girl? Mean to say, Shirley Tilson. The same before same years only her mother has gone from this world. And of this circumstance there is nothing to say at all. It's silence. Silence is mean to say we are not having any word to explain that circumstances. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, listen the video carefully, and in the next lecture I'll give you the homework for doing this thing. Okay, thank you, bye bye.